Dear students, welcome to SSR Academy of IIT Foundation in Mathematics. In the previous session, we discussed concept of factors and how to find the factors for a number and some definitions related with factors. Those are perfect number, amicable numbers, prime number, composite numbers. Now, in this session, we are going to find some problems. That is, number one, the factors for 15 are dash. So, in this problem, we have to find the factors and write them in the bracket, fill in the blank. Now, 15, we write 15 as 15 ones 15. And next 3 5s 15. So these two. Now the factors for 15 are 1, comma, 3, comma, 5, comma, 15. So these are the factors for 15. So we can find factors for any number like this. Next, number 2. The problem is number of factors for 24 is dash. So here we have to find the number of factors only. So first we write the factors 24. 24 ones, 12 twos 24, 8 threes 24 and 6 fours 24. Now from this we write the factors for 24 are factors for 24 are 1 comma 1. We write the factors in increasing order 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 12 comma and 24. These are the factors for 24. But the problem is number of factors for 24. So we have to count the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 factors to 24. So number of factors for 24 is 8. The third is the sum of the factors. Sum of the factors for 25 is dash. So here also first we find the factors for 25. So we write 25 ones 25, 5 5s 25. So there is no other multiplicative fact for 25. So now the factors of 25 are factors of 25 are equal to 1 comma 5. 5 2 times. So we cannot write 5 2 times, only 1 time. And the remaining is 25. These are the factors for 25 and their sum. Their sum equal to 1 plus 5 plus 25. 1 plus 5 plus 25 is 31. So we write the sum of the factors for 25 is 31. Next, the even factors for 40. The even factors for 40 are dash. So here also first we find the factors for 40. 40 ones 40. 22's 40, next 10 4's 40, 8 5's 40. Now the factors for 40 are factors for 40 are equal to 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 and 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. So of these, the problem is to find the even factors for 40. So what are the even factors of these? 2 is the smallest even factor. This is even number. So 4, 8, 10, 20, 40. So we write the even factors for 40 are 2, 4, 8, 10, 20, 40. These are the even factors for 40. So we can find either given number is even or odd. First we observe the unit digit place, the digit which is in units place. If the digit in unit place is either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then we say that the number is an even number. Suppose given 4, 6, 2, 5, 3, 2, 1. Is it an even number or odd number is a problem. Then we go to the unit digit place. So here the unit digit place containing 1. So if the unit digit place does not containing 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then we say that the number is an odd number. If it contains either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in its units place, then the number is called an even number. So here also 2, 4, 8, the unit digit place in 10 is 0, 0, 0. So these are the even factors for 40. Next, fifth, number of odd factors for for 45 is dash. This is the fifth problem. So here odd factors for 45. First we find the factors for 45. So we write 45 equal to 45 once is 45. And next it is not divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3. So 15 3s is 45. Next 5 9s is also 45. So there is no other multiplicative fact for 45. So now the factors for 45 are the factors for 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. These are the factors for 45. Now the problem is number of odd factors for 45. So here the odd factors are 1 is the odd factor, 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 9 is odd, 15 is odd, 45 is odd. So all the factors of 45 are odd numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the odd numbers for 45 is 6. Next, the sum of even factors. The sum of even factors for 70 is dash. These are the different type of problems. Each and every one is a little difference. So the sum of even factors for 70 is. Here also we find the factors for 70. 70 once 70. It is divisible by 2. So since it is an even number. So 35 2s. When we divide 70 by 2, we get 35 as its quotient. So 35 2s 10, 70. Next 3, 5. 14 5s 70. So it is not divisible by 3, 4. Next 10 7s. There is no other multiplicative factor for 70. So the even factors are the factors of 70 are equal to 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35 and 70. So of these, the sum of even factors 2 is an even number, 10, 14 and 70. These are the 4 even factors. So, the even factors for 70 is equal to, even factors for 70 are equal to 2, 10, 14, 70. But here we have to find the sum. So, their sum equal to 2 plus 10 plus 14 plus 70. That is equal to 2 plus 10, 12. 12 plus 14 are right, 70, 14, 10, 2, 6. 70, 14, 10, 2, 4, 2, 6, 9. So, 96. So, the sum of even factors for 70 is 96. Next, the difference between the smallest greatest factors of 1070 is dash. So here we have the big number 1070. So it is very critical to find the factors of 1070 by writing as the product of two numbers. But there is a formula, so it will discuss in the next problems. Now the difference between the smallest greatest factors of 1070. For any number, the smallest factor of any number is 1 and the greatest factor of any number is itself. So we write difference means we write subtract the smallest from greatest. First we write the greatest factor. The greatest factor for 1070 is 1070 itself. The smallest factor for 1070 is equal to 1. So 1 is the smallest and the number itself is the greatest. Difference equal to, difference means subtracting smallest from greatest. 9601. So the answer is 1069 is the difference between the smallest greatest factors of 1070. Next, 8th. The product of two-digit factors of 24 is dash. This is the 8th problem. So write the product of 24 factors are 24 into 1. Next, 12 into 2, 8 into 3 and 6 into 4. These are the multiplicative facts. And the factors for 24 are factors for 24 are equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors for 24. Of these, the problem is product of two-digit factors. So what are the two-digit factors in these factors? 12, 24 are the only two-digit factors. So the two-digit factors for 24 are equal to 12, 24. So their product equal to 12 into 24. 24 twos 48. 24 ones 24. So by adding 4 we get 28. 288. So the answer is 288. So this is the product of two-digit factors for 24. To find any problem, first we have to find the factors of that number. Next, ninth problem. Find the smallest number having, find the smallest number having three distinct prime numbers. So find the smallest number having three different distinct primes. So three different distinct prime numbers. So we have to find the smallest number which have three distinct different prime numbers. Distinct means different prime numbers. So we are going to find the smallest number having three distinct prime numbers. So the three smallest prime numbers are equal to 2 is the smallest prime number, and next prime number is 3, and next is 5. These are the three smallest prime numbers. So 2 has only 1 and itself is the factor for 2, so it is called a prime number. Similarly 3, 5 are the three smallest prime numbers. So required number equal to, required number is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Product of the three smallest prime numbers, we get the required number. 2, 3, 6, 6, 5, 30. So 30 is the smallest number having three distinct different prime numbers. So find the smallest number having three distinct prime numbers. Distinct means difference also. So the smallest prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, and required number is product of the numbers. We get 30. Next, 10th. Number of factors for 1240. Number of factors for 1240 is dash. So from 1 to 9 the numbers are smallest. Now we are going to find the factors for big numbers, or sum of the factors, number of factors, or product of the factors. We use the formula which we already discussed in the previous class. So here, before knowing the finding the number of factors for any number, first we have to know the simple concept prime factorization. Prime factorization. Prime factorization. So prime factorization is a process to write a number as the product of prime numbers. When we write a number as the product of prime numbers, that method is called prime factorization. So how we write prime factorization? So we write prime factorization by dividing the given number by only prime numbers. So here also we have to find the factors, prime factors for 1240. So we use prime factorization method to write 1240 as product of prime numbers. So 1240, 1240. So we divide it by either 2 or 3 or 5, which are the prime numbers. So we divide it by 5. So 5 2s 10, 5 4s 20, 5 8s 40. Now we divide it by 2. 1 2 4, again 2 6 2, again 2 3s 2 1s. Now we write 1240 equal to 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 31. So number of 5s in the product is 1. So we write 5 power 1 into Number of 2's in this product is 1, 2, 3. So product of 2 3 times can be written as 2 power 3 into 31 is only 1 time. There is no, so we write exponent as 1. So this is the process to write 1240. Now number of factors. Number of factors equal to 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into again 1 plus 1. So 2 into 4 into 2. 2 4s 8. 8 to 60. So number of factors for 1240 is 16. There are 16 factors. This is the 10th problem. Next. 11th. The sum of the factors for 180 is dash. So we are going to find the sum of the factors for 180. So 180, we write 180 as the product of prime numbers by dividing 180 by prime numbers. 2 9s 18 0, 2 90s 180, 2 4s 8, 2 5s. Now we divide it by 5, 5 9s 3 3s. So we write 180 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. So we write 2 into 2 as 2 square into 5 into 3 into 3 as 3 square, and here we write 1. So this is 180. 180 equal to 2 square into 5 into 3 square. Now the sum of the factors, we use the formula sum of the factors, that is equal to 2 power 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 5 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 into 3 power 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 2 power 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1, and 5 power 2 minus 1 by 4 into 3 cubed minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 cubed is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8. 8 minus 1 by 1. 5 square is 5 5's 25 minus 1 by 4. And 3 cubed, 3 into 3 into 3. 27 minus 1 by 2. So it is 7 into 24 by 4 into 26 by 2, 2 ones, 2 13s, 4 ones, 4 6. So 7 into 6 into 13. Now 7 6s, 42 into 13. 13 2s, 26. 13 4s, 13 4s, 52, 54, 546. So this is the sum of the factors for 180. So the answer is 546. Next, the number of odd factors for 284 is the number of odd factors for 284 is dash. So here we are going to find only odd factors for 284. So we divide 284 by prime numbers only. So the smallest prime number is 2. We divide it by 2. So 2 ones, 2 4s 8, 2 2s. Again we divide it by 2. 2 7s, 2 1s. So now we write 284 equal to 2 into 2 into 71, 2 square into 71 to the power of 1. So this is the number 284 can be written as 2 square into 71 to the power of 1. So here we are going to find add factors for a number. We leave the number which is in base 2. If there is 2 in the base, we leave this number and we write number of odd numbers, odd factors equal to exponent 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So leaving the term which has base 2, we leave that we can find the number of odd factors for any number. Similarly, we can find the sum of the odd factors also. Suppose sum of the odd factors of 284 is equal to, here also we leaving base 2, then the number is remaining number is 71 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 71 minus 1. 71 power 2 minus 1 by 70. Now 71 into 71, 177, 717, 7 7s 49, so 1405, that is equal to 5041 minus 1 by 70, that is equal to 5040 by 70, 0 0 cancel, 7 1s 7 7s 49 and 7 2s 14, 72. So this is the sum of the odd factors of 284. So when we are going to find number of odd factors or sum of odd factors, we leave the number which is in base 2. So this is the 12th problem. Now this session is over. We will discuss the next in the next session. Thank you.